Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest tools in the world of woodworking. Today, we've got something special for you. We're going to showcase the top 10 new cool woodpecker tools that will take your woodworking game to a whole new level. So, let's dive right in. Woodpecker's Stable Max Trim Router Base is a game changer for woodworking enthusiasts. With its innovative design and impeccable functionality, this tool provides your small router with a stable footing, eliminating the frustrating dip often encountered during corner and narrow pattern work. The extended teardrop shape and large handle offer exceptional support, allowing you to achieve flawless edge profiles with ease. Crafted from solid phenolic using advanced CNC milling technology, the Stable Max features precisely located mounting holes compatible with the most popular trim routers on the market. Its versatility extends further as the base is also milled to accommodate Porter cable-style template guide bushings. But that's not all. Woodpeckers goes above and beyond by including a centering pin, ensuring perfect concentricity between the guide bushing and the collet. Introducing the revolutionary Ultra Shear Solid Carbide Compact Compression Pattern and Mortising Bit, a game changer for woodworking enthusiasts. Unlike the half-inch shank bits you may have come across, this bit is designed with convenience and versatility in mind. With its 1/4 inch shank, you can now use it in smaller routers, providing you with a more economical and practical solution. Crafted from 100% solid carbide with impeccable concentricity, this bit delivers exceptional performance. Its 1/2 inch cutting diameter and 1 1/8 inch cut length make it perfect for tackling tight radius template projects that were previously challenging. What sets this bit apart is the specially ground end for plunging, allowing for dados, grooves, rabbets, and mortises with ease. The upcut section, a mere 1/8 inch long, adds even more versatility to this incredible tool. Woodpecker's corner locks are the ultimate solution for keeping two pieces of stock perfectly square to each other. These ingenious corner clamps spring into action whenever you need precise alignment in your woodworking projects. Whether you're installing fasteners, applying bar clamps, or simply figuring out the next step in your process, the corner locks have got you covered. Using them couldn't be simpler. Just compress the spring and place the corner lock over the two pieces of stock. The spring then captures your material between a square steel corner and two alignment pins, ensuring a secure and accurate hold. Slide the stock into perfect alignment, and voila! You're done. Woodpecker's corner locks make it effortless to maintain the desired squareness in your woodworking projects. With their user-friendly design and reliable performance, these clamps are a must-have for any woodworker striving for precision and efficiency. Say goodbye to misaligned pieces and hello to seamless assembly with Woodpecker's corner locks. Say goodbye to the tedious process of using a jigsaw and belt sander to soften the corners of your projects. With Woodpecker's chamfer and radius quick jigs, you can achieve clean and precise chamfered or radiused corners in a matter of seconds, all using your router table. It's time to elevate the look of your projects with perfectly finished corners. These quick jigs provide the ultimate solution for creating professional-looking corners effortlessly. Whether you need a subtle chamfer or a more pronounced radius, these jigs handle the job with ease. No more guesswork or uneven results, just accurate and consistent corner treatments that enhance the overall appearance of your work. With Woodpecker's chamfer and radius quick jigs, you'll save time and achieve flawless results every time. When it comes to joinery layout, marking 3 sides of your stock at the same point can be a challenging task. The process of chasing a critical measurement around your stock with a square requires patience, time, and sometimes even luck. But worry no more, because Woodpeckers has introduced their latest one-time tools, the Straddle squares, the ultimate marking tools to have in your apron whenever you need to mark both faces and one edge of your stock. The Straddle squares from Woodpeckers are designed to simplify your woodworking workflow. These innovative tools easily adjust to accommodate a wide range of stock thicknesses. By securely gripping your workpiece, the 2 straddle squares provide perfectly aligned marking references on all 3 sides simultaneously. This means you can achieve precise and consistent measurements with ease and accuracy. Say goodbye to the frustration of struggling with multiple tools and imprecise marking. With Woodpecker's Straddle squares, joinery layout becomes a breeze, saving you time and effort. Add these indispensable tools to your woodworking arsenal and experience the convenience of marking all 3 sides of your stock effortlessly. Tired of dealing with awkward arrangements and overlapping clamps during complicated glue-ups? Woodpeckers has the solution for you, the universal clamp bridges. We've all experienced the frustration of needing to assemble a project all at once, with clamps going in different directions and overlapping in crucial areas. This is where things can get tricky. With Woodpeckers' universal clamp bridges, those overlapping areas become a thing of the past. These bridges are designed to fit over the top of all styles and sizes of clamps, providing a solid platform for the intersecting clamp to grip onto. This ensures that the pressure is applied exactly where you need it, keeping everything perfectly aligned during the glue-up process. Say goodbye to the hassle of clamps interfering with each other and compromising the quality of your glue-ups. Woodpeckers' universal clamp bridges streamline your assembly process, making it easier to achieve precise and flawless results. Woodpeckers' mini indexable combination and double squares offer all the outstanding features of their full-size counterparts and compact tools that easily fit into your shop apron or jeans pocket. And now, Woodpeckers is expanding the mini indexable range by introducing the protractor head and centering head. The protractor head brings accurate layout capabilities at any angle, featuring positive stops at 22 to 1/2 degree, 45 degrees, 67 to 1/2 degree, and 90 degrees. This allows for precise marking and measurement in various orientations. On the other hand, the centering head excels at locating the center of both square and round stock with just 2 quick marks. It simplifies the process of finding the center point, saving you time and effort. Both the protractor head and centering head maintain the full-inch indexing feature found in the combination square and double square. This means you can utilize the laser-accurate scribing guides on the graduated blades, ensuring accurate and consistent markings. Woodpeckers' mini indexable squares provide compact yet powerful solutions for layout and marking tasks. With these versatile tools by your side, you can achieve precise and professional results, all while conveniently carrying them in your pocket or apron. Enhance your woodworking experience with the mini indexable range from Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers' track clamp bench tops are the ultimate solution for securely placing your track clamps exactly where they belong, in a track. Say goodbye to the frustration of fumbling with holes in your MFT or similar table. With the track clamp bench tops, you can effortlessly slide your clamps into a slot just like the ones found on the underside of your Festool, Makita, or Triton track saw guide rail. These bench tops feature CNC machine tracks that can accommodate any brand or style of clamp designed to work with track saws. No longer are you limited to locating your clamps every 96 millimeters. You have the freedom to position them anywhere along the track and lock them in place with one hand while you position your work with the other. Crafted from 1-inch thick Baltic birch laminated material, these bench tops are durable and reliable. They come in 3 sizes, designed to fit Woodpeckers' 2 router table leg sets and the Festool MFT. Upgrade your woodworking setup with Woodpeckers' track clamp bench tops and enjoy the convenience and versatility they bring. Experience effortless clamping and precise positioning of your workpieces, making your project smoother and more efficient. Imagine the convenience of having one rule that allows you to reference from either end, measure in both inches and millimeters, and instantly locate the center of any object. Well, now you can with Woodpeckers' Hex Scale Rule, a truly versatile tool with 6 different graduations in one handy package. For those who remember the days of woodworking plans drawn on drafting tables, this rule borrows the concept of a triangular rule graduated with various ratio scales and a standard inch scale. Woodpeckers has ingeniously incorporated 6 of the most useful graduations for woodworking into a single tool, providing unmatched versatility. Whether you need to measure from right to left or left to right, in inches or millimeters, the Hex Scale Rule has got you covered. Its distinctive shape allows the laser-engraved scales to sit precisely on your material, virtually eliminating any parallax viewing errors, ensuring accurate measurements every time. Experience the convenience and precision of Woodpeckers' Hex Scale Rule and streamline your woodworking tasks with this all-in-one measuring tool. From referencing to measuring to locating centers, this rule revolutionizes your woodworking workflow, making it a must-have in your toolbox. Woodpeckers introduces the ultimate tool for setting dovetail and miter angles with speed, ease, and unrivaled accuracy, the bevel block. Say goodbye to the challenges of visually matching your adjustable bevel square to a mark. The bevel block revolutionizes the process by allowing you to set your bevel square to a physical reference. With the bevel block, you can instantly achieve angles for 1:6, 1:7, and 1:8 dovetails, as well as miter angles of 15 degrees, 12 sides, 22 to 1/2 degree, 8 sides, 30 degrees, 6 sides, 36 degrees, 5 sides, and 45 degrees, 4 sides. Its geometric design offers not only the angles themselves but also their complementary 90 degrees and supplementary 180 degrees angles. By simply changing the surface against which you hold the bevel square, you can access 24 different physical references. Woodpeckers' bevel block empowers woodworkers to set their dovetail and miter angles with unparalleled efficiency and accuracy. Say goodbye to guesswork and time-consuming adjustments. With this innovative tool, you can achieve precise angles effortlessly, enhancing the quality and precision of your woodworking projects.